In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix CRM Tools. If you're looking to streamline your customer relationship management with ease, Wix provides powerful tools to do just that. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. To start, head over to Wix.com. You'll want to log into your account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up. But assuming you're all set, just enter your login details and proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the dashboard that gives you a panoramic view of all your sites. It helps you manage and navigate effortlessly between them. Next, you'll need to choose the specific site you want to work on. You should see an option labeled Select and Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you directly into the site editor where most of the magic happens, allowing you to customize your site to your heart's content. From the editor, look for a section named Sales and click on it. This area is crucial because it houses all the functionalities related to sales and revenue, centralizing everything you need to manage your financial engagements. Speaking of financials, once you're in the sales section, navigate to All Payments. Here, you can see a history of all transactions, helping you stay on top of your financial flow with precision. If you want to tweak the way payments come through, click on Manage Payment Methods. This setup lets you add, remove, or modify the ways your customers can pay, providing flexibility and simplicity for you and your clients. Now let's head to the Apps option from your dashboard menu. Apps on Wix play a pivotal role in extending the capabilities of your website. You'll want to click on App Market next. This market functions similar to a smartphone app store, where you can find an array of apps tailored for your specific needs. In the app market, you'll notice a search box. Click on it and type in Wix CRM. This is where things get interesting. The search results will provide you with the Wix CRM app, which is the tool we're focusing on. Select the Wix CRM from the options available. This app is specifically designed to help you manage your customer relationships efficiently. Lastly, don't forget to add it to your site by clicking on Add to Site. It's a simple click that integrates the app into your existing site setup. This integration allows you the opportunity to engage directly with your audience, track interactions, and manage customer information seamlessly. There you have it. With these steps, you'll be fully equipped to leverage Wix's CRM tools, enhancing your site's capabilities to better manage and understand your customer base. Whether you're a small business owner or a growing enterprise, these tools are wonderfully adaptable to your needs. Enjoy the journey of turning prospects into loyal customers with Wix CRM tools at your side.